Hey guys, Azupanda here at Azupanda Media back again. I hope you guys are doing well. What are we talking about today? Well, today we are talking about something that happens to a lot of us who feel very frustrated after a point of time because they've been uploading videos and they get a very few views and they don't get the kind of engagement they're probably looking for, and they are at the point of giving up. Now, what I'd like to say to you is don't give up. Don't give up just yet. And hear me out. The reason I'm saying that is because, see, just as in any other thing that you do in life, it takes time, right? It takes time. Now, why does YouTube kind of take that time? We all keep talking about this algorithm. See, algorithm is something which is basically trying to learn about you. So YouTube is also trying to learn about you as a creator. Now, we end up thinking, you know what, I've uploaded one video. See, what is your point here? If you want to be a creator on YouTube, are you there to just make a few videos and hoping that they'll just go viral and that's it? No. If you want to take YouTube seriously, you would have to stick with it, and you would have to give YouTube the chance to learn about you, because every video that you're creating about anything is helping YouTube transcribe your content and understand what is it that you're saying, what is your message. Now, take for instance, if there is something very entertaining and those cute cat videos that are shorts that we see, we intentionally and unintentionally keep sharing it with our friends. Now, a lot of people, see, today for instance on YouTube, even if you want to change your car tire, you do not go through the instruction manual, or you buy a new refrigerator or a television, or for that matter a mobile phone or a camera. You don't go through the manual. You actually come to YouTube and look for a video where somebody is actually telling you how to probably install it or use it or whatever is problem that you want to solve. Now, in case you do these kind of videos the way I'm doing right now, you will not find a lot of people who will share this unless they come across somebody who says, you know what, I think I watched that particular video that particular creator created, which might help you, right? So a lot of times you would have to have faith in the YouTube system, where the YouTube environment, you have to have faith in it, that it will actually push it to those people. Because, see, YouTube's not trying to push your content to people who would probably just watch it for 60 seconds and skip it. They want to push it to those people who would like to watch this kind of content and binge watch it. Why? Because obviously, if you create a video, which obviously people watch for about 30 seconds, 40 seconds and skip, go to the next one, it does not help YouTube. The reason it does not help is because obviously in those 30, 40 seconds, what is it that YouTube gains? They can't advertise, right? So YouTube runs on ad revenue. Now, what YouTube wants is creators creating videos which can actually hold the audience, right? So you need to also understand that if you create content, you have to see, a lot of creators end up saying things. I've said this before as well, who keep saying, oh, keep watching it till the end, and don't you think it's become very irritating? And when somebody says that this video is going to be long, or please watch it till the end, that's exactly something that we do not do, right? But then again, yes, that is what YouTube wants you to do. YouTube wants you to create content which people will actually not only want to watch, want to click on, but want to watch it all the way through. For that, YouTube needs to really understand. I just ate the B in there. YouTube really needs to understand what is it that you're trying to create, what is your message, how would those videos help, right? Now, I'd like to share a statistic here, right? When I keep saying that, please like, share, subscribe, right? So I'll share a statistic here, which is, if you can probably, if it focuses, yeah, see there. Now, if you've seen that, you realize that there's only 20% of people who have subscribed to the channel. 70% of people would watch your video, they'll probably get interested in it and probably never come back to your channel again. Or every time they want to look for something, they will come, but then again, they'll never subscribe. So what you need to do is try and create content for those people who want to come back to your channel again and again. Right? So I hope if you're watching this, you keep coming back to my channel, because I would like to create content which probably helps you. And I'm sure as creators, because I'll say this out of my own personal experience, I go out there, consume content, and try and understand what people are looking for when they're, we all look for helps. YouTube is a big self-help platform, right? So I'm sure if you've seen the video, you've seen the topic, you've seen the thumbnail, you're here because I'm sure you're facing the same problem as well. So if you are right at that point of time where you want to say, you know what, I'll just give up, I'll say, hold on, give it some time, right? I think that's all I wanted to say today. So in the end, all I can say is, please hit the like button if you liked something. Please share it with at least one more person, and please subscribe. So thanks for watching. Keep watching. Until next time, Oshi Kimti, Tawa.